Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So one of my goals for this channel this year was to be pretty consistent at posting weekly content. And to be honest, I was doing pretty well up until about a week or two ago. A few weeks ago I celebrated another trip around the sun and rewarded myself with a new camera. As the description in my YouTube channel says, I'm a tech noob. And with a new camera comes new settings. So to make a long story shorter, I jumped into the settings, changed some things, and turned my video clips into massive files that my laptop hated and were basically unusable. So I had two videos filmed, one of which was edited that had to be deleted twice. So live and learn. After a factory reset of the camera settings, I've been doing what I should have done in the first place, and just testing settings during some local rides, finding out what looks and works best for me. So with all that being said, these are some of the clips I've taken, with a few drone shots thrown in for good measure. So hopefully next week I'll get back to my regular uploading schedule. Hopefully you all are doing well and are enjoying the warmer spring weather. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, I'm just trying out some color settings right now, different resolution settings, frames per second, because all that stuff is pretty new to me. While I've heard it all, I don't really know what it all means, so I'm looking all that stuff up and trying to learn and just click in different settings and take video and see what it looks like. Hey, Robin. Gotta love spring project season. Found these in the road not too far from my house, so had to spin around, pick them back up, because I don't need them going through one of my car tires. I'm up and down that road quite often, so good deed for the day.